Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where we get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With news, there are growing suggestions that the inflation surge may be topping out. Remember, it is the July 4th Independence Day holiday in the US, and financial markets are closed there. Yesterday, we noted that most of the top 10 global commodities were falling in price now. Other key hard commodities like nickel, cobalt, and tin are too, most essential for green energy projects, but not lithium yet, even if its rise is over now. And the overall slide in commodity prices are an indication that inflation's bite may be easing, and quite quickly. Further, there are suggestions that the US may roll back some of its tariffs on Chinese imports, a Trump-era tax on Americans. This could be significant too to arrest inflation. And China is feasting on cut-price Russian oil, gas and coal. It is helpful for China because their economy is struggling to regain momentum. Other suppliers, like Iran, are having to match the Russian discounts. That in turn is driving down West African oil prices too. And Australian coal producers are having to make the same match. All these price declines in these key commodities are helping quell inflation globally. In China, to get their economy moving again, they have halved taxes on new car purchases. And China's found more undeclared additives in what is being sold as pure milk. Propylene glycol is the additive in the latest scare. And Turkey's inflation rate rose for a 13th consecutive month to almost 80% higher than a year ago. Its highest since 1998. This is what happens when the central bank chooses not to raise interest rates early enough. Meanwhile, their currency dived further, making the problem worse. One of Australia's largest insurers, Suncorp, says costs are rising from the material hardening of global reinsurance markets following elevated natural hazard activity in recent years. But their focus might be Australia. However, Kiwi premium payers probably won't be forgotten in insurance repricing for rising natural hazard risks. And staying in Australia, there was a big jump, an unexpected jump, in the number of residential building consents issued in May, up almost 10% from April, when a 2% fall was expected. The US Treasury 10-year yield starts today still down at 2.89%, and the price of gold is down $5 at $1,808 an ounce. But oil prices are up $2 to just over $109 a barrel in the US, while international Brent price is just over $113 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar will open today unchanged at 62.1 US cents. Against the Australian dollar, we're firm at 91.5 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're almost unchanged at 59.6 euro cents. But our trade weight index starts today at 70.3 and marginally softer. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.